Wait, let's sing happy birthday again. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, dear mommy. 3. Maya, you're not watching. Oh, yay! Mommy is 30. 30. Dude.
Okay, this is a romance book.
Yeah! It is a theme color what?
Pink.
Yeah! If you haven't read it, sorry.
So, you said I was your favorite. I have not read that.
Good. Yeah, finally. I got a book that mommy didn't read. Oh!
Yeah. Wishes for 30. I am so proud and impressed with all your hard work you put in your 20s. May your 30s keep presenting you with bigger and better opportunities. God bless you and your family. Mommy.
Say amen.
It's pickleball rackets.
It's a pickleball right there.
I don't even know how to play pickleball.
I guess you may have.
Yes, we're gonna learn. Okay.
All right. Good morning.
It's my birthday.
Birthday.
So we are, hold it up a little bit. We are walking to our car.
Yes, because it's hot out here. And
So today is my birthday, July 3rd.
somebody got a new shoes. Show them, baby.
Ooh.
Come on.
So you know you're 30 when you get excited about walking shoes.
Yeah.
And comfortable
Yep.
walking shoes. I feel like you know you're getting older when you get excited about like adult stuff like pots and pans and like
You don't even cook.
No, I'm saying like not me, other people.
Oh.
But you get excited about like organization stuff.
You
or, like,
stop worrying about this kind of shoes.
Yeah, you start worrying about like
These.
just other random stuff. But when you get like walking shoes or just like household stuff,
Healthy stuff.
yeah, you're like, oh my gosh, it's exciting. I had work this morning just for an hour. It was a really quick meeting, and then I'm squeaky.
Oh.
I'm squeaky.
You know,
And now
showing
I'm about
in.
to go to
Get some breakfast
breakfast
and get
and
some
then
coffee. Yeah.
I had a headache this morning, which sucks, but
Hope you feel better. Headache,
Going
not a
away
good
now.
time. For the birthday lady.
For the birthday lady. But I was deciding between these and thank you. Thank you, darling. I was deciding between these, the Cayanos, I don't know what it's called, and the Hokas, the new like Hokas. But these just felt so good on my foot because I have a pretty narrow foot, but then I have instability like in the inside of my foot. So these give me like good support and like arch support. I sound so technical and like an old lady, but anyways, it's a birthday. You're gonna spoil me today?
Oh yes. Oh yes. It's your birthday, so we're gonna do a lot. Okay, let's take it. It's only pastries.
We're at the
Salty?
Huh?
Is it salty?
The restaurant's called Salty.
Oh yes. Full.
For this. I mean, what did you get?
I got a honey something sandwich. It looks good though. Looks very appealing. But yours looks like a. Not good?
That's good.
Is it? Actually,
That is good.
it looks like a. Like a.
It looks just plain.
Yeah, it doesn't look appealing at all. It doesn't look like a birthday breakfast. Is it?
For real. And maybe you don't think that is good with the sauce. Is
Oh.
it good?
Oh,
It's like surprisingly good. It doesn't
Oh, yeah.
look, it doesn't look like it would be.
don't record that way, only this way.
Hey, we are currently still shopping. Got something. Got the goods.
Yeah.
We are still walking on 12 South. Like we have nowhere to go. Like nowhere to be.
But we got
But we have other stuff to do and other places to be. But I think this is my favorite store we're about to go into now on 12 South. It's so unique. But it's very expensive. But I really like it. What's the store called? What's the store called?
What
I
the
feel
store
like-
is called?
I feel like it's your style.
Oh, definitely is. Just the money is not.
The money is not our style.
Not our style, but
But
definitely something.
I love the store, like how it's set up, and they have a bookstore, bookshop, and a coffee shop, and clothes, like
men's store.
men's and women's
Elegantly,
section. Like it's perfect.
yeah.
All of the favorite things put together.
Oh yeah.
So it's great. So we'll
Put
show
it
you.
together to make the money so high. Eyes are closed. Want us to see? Okay, hold it. Okay, now you can open it.
Are you proposing to me?
Man, I married you. We've been together for 3 years now.
Okay. Ooh. Oh wow. This is so sweet. Tangled. Is
Where?
it my name? Samaya's name? Your name?
Your name.
What is this? Okay, I don't know how to spell my name, but I've been wanting this for a long time.
But that's not your name.
What is this? Samaya's name?
Yes.
I don't know.
What? I thought you knew.
No. How
my
would I
gosh.
spell it? This is Samaya's name?
Yeah.
Yay! All right, so I have a gold, even though I have silver on right now. Watch my mold. This is my last.
Wait, hold your hair. What the heck?
Ow! This is my. I'm sweating. It's my last gift, and it says Samaya. Samaya. And that's our baby's name. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me. I was like, this is how bad I am at Amharic. I was like, does it say my name or your name or Samaya's name? That's how bad I am at Amharic.
You got bad so quick. And you, I mean, at least you
I
knew
used
how
to
to.
read
I
it.
used to know, how, like, at least know how to write your name.
Yeah, I used to know how to write my
But now
name. I used to could read like, you know, simple signs. Now I don't know it
You
at all.
became real. Now we're
Yeah.
like that. We are a rally.
O'Reilly.
A rally. A rally.
What?
A rally?
O'Reilly?
Your camera is foggy.
You're foggy. Hold it.
Clean it up first, huh?
So we are at Maya's school right now. She has an Independence Day parade, which is so cute. They have like these little decorations and floaties, and they're dressed in their red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it feels good. It's not too hot right now.
No,
That's a
but I'm ready. I
He's
came
ready to
prepared.
get out.
Umbrella.
He's ready to go.
Handle the heat.
It's probably gonna be the baby. Oh my god! It's gonna give me baby fever.
I have a fever from the heat.
All right, so we are at Best Buy. We originally came in here for a laptop. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is this girl doing?
Making them.
That's even with like iPods. Like I remember getting the first big iPod, and then they had the little skinny ones.
Oh yes.
And with the headphones.
My sister had those too. I remember stealing it from her in the middle of the night to play games.
Oh my god.
For real.
Stole.
Yeah, like
Just taking it.
take it.
Ouchie. Alright, time for dinner. We have to go a little early because it's on her neck. She has a bow tie. We have to go a little early because this one, Samaya, is she be tired. She's so worn out. Why you put the bow over her ear like that?
Oh, ouchies.
So we're going to Sushi.
Sushi Kingdom. Let's get some sushi.
Sushi.
I want mommy to give me a kiss. Mommy, give me a kiss.
Love you. She has to get a kiss.
I love you
too.
too. Alright, cuddle me, cuddle me. I love you. Oh.
Oh.
Maya, what are you?
I was like.
Cheese! Ooh!
We just went on that. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, so we just pulled up to Rock State Park. Never been here before, so I'm really excited. I think we're going on a hike. That's what it looks like. It's the state park. Nature. It was a beautiful drive up here. My husband went to the visitor center just to ask some questions about where to go and stuff. And I'm reading, of course, on my Kindle. Yeah, I don't know how long the hike is, how difficult it is, but I know I got some new shoes. So I know that. I'm excited. I love being out in nature. I think for my 26th birthday, 27? Can't remember. My 26th birthday, I went to a waterfall park. It was before I was married. I think we were engaged at the time, but I was in the States and he was in Ethiopia, and I went to a waterfall with my mom, and we hiked, and she was wearing jeans. She hated it. She's like, don't have me out here again hiking. So now I can do my hiking. And he's playing the whole thing. So super excited. I'm reading the Reformatory. No, not what? I'm not reading the Reformatory. That book is on my mind though. I started that book and it was a book club pick from last month, but I didn't finish it. I am reading All the Sinners Bleed by S.A. Cosby. And I'm on 53% right now, and they're at the part where they're trying to find Tangerine. So that's all I'm going to say. Yeah. So we'll keep you updated and show you the beautiful... I'm so tired. Show you the beautiful views of this state park. We went to sleep last night at 2 a.m. Got home at like 12. And then woke up at 5:30. So like 3 hours of sleep. He was like, we gotta leave at 6 because once the parking lot fills up, we can't go in, and they only allow people for how many parking spots they have. But we got here and there was only one other car here. So I think we're making good timing. I think there's more parking in the back, or I see more cars going different ways, but we're here. Praise God, we made it safely. No issues, no problems. And we just pray for a safe trip and journey as we hike. That looks scary, bridge. Cars used to go on that thing. Cars used to go on that thing.
Back then.
We're hot and sweaty. We're taking a little break because the siren you hear is like the warning signal, basically that the tide or the water is gonna rise or get
The pressure is
higher.
higher.
The pressure is higher?
I believe, I don't know. I think the fall pressure is going to be higher or something.
I think they're releasing the water from the dam, and you can see it's rising. Where people were standing right there, you see how it's now getting wet and flooding a little bit. So we're like in a flood zone, and they have not turned the siren off for a little minute now. But the first siren we heard just came on,
warning.
Yeah, it just came on, went off. But now it's like,
we're doing this.
don't get your butt close to this water. So, but let me show you. So like down there, it's, people were standing there earlier, and now it's like flooding a little bit. Like kayak or canoe, don't know the difference here, right?
I don't know if they actually can come all the way here.
But they,
wow, there's right here. Dang.
there's a cliff. They jumping?
What? No. You can stand right there and then.
Oh yeah.
And do you see some people actually still like kayak?
Yeah, they're kayak. Some people kayak and then they can't come any further than like right there because they can't get close to the waterfall because it's too dangerous. So, but we should like take a picture right there. That would be cute.
Yeah. You want to show me your food?
All right, so we both got catfish, and I told him not to get catfish because it's a lot of catfish. It's the 4-piece. I got the 4-piece. He got the 6-piece, and then the size. Oh, it comes with hush puppies, baked beans, and French fries. And he got what are the greens called?
Shrimp.
Don't say no.
Tulip salad greens. No.
What are the greens called?
This? Gourmet. Easy.
And potato salad.
Something shrimp. Shrimp's greens. Shrimp greens.
Turnip.
Oh.
Turnip greens.
Turnip greens.
Some good Southern home cooking. If you don't know, now you know. If you want to go to, what's it called? The Great Falls, Rock Island State Park in Tennessee. You gotta go to Rock Island Market Cafe. All right, how you feel?
Hi. Hello.
Hot.
Hi.
Hot as always.
Hot as always.
Always.
I am.
Happy 4th of July.
Oh yeah. Happy 4th of July.
It's no longer my birthday. I'm 30 years in one day. Well, it's kind of good. It's good that you don't like sweets because I don't need to eat sweets. I liked it on the spoon, but now that we ordered the full thing, I don't like it. This is the place, guys. Hearts on 12 South. There's like a cute breakfast place and coffee. I hope they have good coffee.
Not like mine. It would never be.
He has his own coffee right now. So he is.
I don't drink coffee outside. I drink coffee at home.
But you can try new coffee spots in case it's good.
most of the time it's just a disappointment. You pay like $6-7 for just for a worse coffee. I don't want to experience. I want good coffee. They just cost you for a seat and experience.
Yeah.
Well, let me give you some bougie drink. What did they say? What did they say?
Cold brew?
No, cold brew. Not a cold brew. I asked them for something similar to macchiato, and they said, "What's that coffee they gave me?" It's like a small coffee.
A shot? Espresso?
Not espresso.
That is a macchiato. That's like a traditional Italian macchiato.
Yes, but
there's a coffee that they always give me, like, which was, you know what? Yeah, coffee here is not the best. They need to do a good job in roasting it, flavor. Just no.
A lot of times it tastes burnt to me, or it tastes like, I don't know.
Alright, have fun, baby.
Simple dress today, outfit of the day. And then my big mama bag. And my Stanley. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Right, so I am about to get ready for my spa service. I have a massage and a facial. I am at Greenhouse Spa, luxury spa in Nashville, and I'm already relaxed. The music, the robe. So I hope it's a good service. I'll let you know. I'm not gonna bring my camera into the service because I just want to truly relax. But I'll let you know how it goes. So relaxed right now. So I am in like the greenhouse. It's called Greenhouse Spa. It's so nice and relaxing. Got this little dust balls on me, but got water. I got a little snack. So I'm about to enjoy that and relax. But I did a massage treatment, like a Swedish massage, and this is the first time I've gotten a massage with a man. First time. So male masseuse. And he just did my back, and I told him like my problem areas, like my shoulders and then my jaw, because I carry a lot of tension there. And yeah, he really focused on those areas. And so that was the first time that I've gotten like a massage where he really focused on my problem areas, like I say. And then I just got a facial, which was so relaxing. So my hair is looking crazy, but this is where I am. It's like a little room just to wait for my next session. So this is the Himalayan salt room, and I'll be in here for 30 minutes. It helps with just congestion, restoration of the skin, sinuses, stress, all of that. And it's so beautiful, very quaint, relaxing space. And then you can dip your feet into the salt. Very nice.
You did?
Yeah.
For what?
A place that I've been wanting to go.
Okay.
It's a surprise to you, even though you're not eating anything.
Oh. Okay.
But I've been wanting to go here.
Alright, let's do it.
Spa experience was great.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks to my husband behind the camera, he found that place. It was pretty affordable for the
Really?
Nashville area, don't you think?
I don't know how much you
Did you look
paid.
at the prices?
No.
Well, he didn't look at the prices beforehand, but it's pretty affordable. And it's a little surprise to my husband. He's not getting any food, but he went back in because I was just saying my spa experience was so good and nice, and he wanted to leave them a little extra tip. So I left him a tip on my card, and then we had some cash, and I was just like, go leave them a little extra tip, and I will definitely be back because, like I said, it is pretty affordable for the Nashville area for this spa. And they were so knowledgeable. They knew what products that I needed for my face, for my age, and everything like that. And then even targeted specific areas like my jaw and my shoulders. So definitely recommend. I'm driving.
You jumped over there. I don't know.
I drove because the people were trying to park. I don't want to drive. I don't want to drive. I don't want to drive. I left the car open. Thank you. So pretty. We're right by the. Hello. Thank you. Hey everyone, so today is actually Sunday, and I didn't film any today because I actually left my phone at home for like the whole day and didn't have it, wasn't able to communicate with anyone or film, and so it was kind of good to have the break. Honestly, it is the end of my 30th birthday week, and right now I'm going on my daily walk. I try to do a walk daily in the evening, and it's way cooler and then in the daytime, of course. But just wanted to close out this vlog and say thank you all so much for coming along with me for the ride and celebrating with me for my 30th birthday. It was amazing. My husband and my mom and my family went all out for me and planned it so well, and they were so thoughtful of what I love and like. So thank you all so much for watching, and see you in the next video.